All right, people, welcome back after the break. Let's go ahead. People, before the break, we had gone ahead and learned about what is GST, difference between direct tax, indirect tax, efficiencies, then features of GST and the benefits. Anyone, any doubt till here? Anyone, any doubt till here? Now listen. Earlier, there were various types of taxes which are gone because of coming of GST. What are the earlier taxes which are gone because of coming of GST? Because what government did, everyone? See, listen. Central government stood here. This is central government, and this is state government. Okay? Both of them in between they put one fire. You understood, everyone? And both of them did what, everyone? In the fire, they kept putting one tax. Central government told we will put service tax. State government told okay, we will put VAT. You getting my point? Like this, both of them contributed their taxes, and what came out was what, everyone? GST. So now we are going to understand what are the taxes which they went in and put it in the fire, basically subsumed. Subsumed means it went all in and what came out was GST. Are you guys able to understand? So what taxes were being thrown away by them and what taxes were not thrown away, not deleted. So we are going to learn about that. If you see over here, I've written down over here, what are the central government taxes? Those are gone because of coming of GST. Then what are the state government taxes? Those are gone. What are the taxes which are not gone because of coming of GST? Means they are still there. Okay, everyone. Number one is central excise duty. What is central excise duty? On manufacturing, whenever you manufacture, and if you are a manufacturer, you manufactured any goods, you have to pay what tax, everyone? VAT, central excise duty. Do you remember, everyone? This tax is there or gone? Gone, Baba. Swaha. They put it in the fire. Can we go it, everyone? It is gone. The next one, service tax. On all services earlier, what used to be there, everyone? There or gone? Gone, Baba. Gone. Next, CVD and special CVD. CVD means countervailing duty. Now listen very carefully. This countervailing duty which is there, no? CVD is called countervailing. This will come under customs. When we learn CA final custom, there's something called CVD, countervailing duty and special countervailing duty. As of now, you can just learn the name. Learning the detail, you will have to learn first customs, and customs are a part of CA final. Can I go ahead, everyone? So this point, even if you don't remember, it's okay. If you remember also, you can write countervailing duty and special countervailing duty. If you don't remember also, it's okay. Can we go ahead, everyone? Next. Central sales tax, CST. Now, whenever you sell goods from one state to another, no, one state to another, what tax is charge is called central sales tax. If within the state, VAT. Outside the state, central sales tax. Can we go ahead, everyone? And central sales tax also gone. Surcharge and cess. Baba, earlier no. Service tax may one surcharge used to be there. Cess used to be there. Krishi Kalyan cess. For the farmer, one cess used to be collected by the government. Cess means tax only. And Swachh Bharat cess. All this cess used to be collected earlier along with service tax. Service tax gone, cess also gone. So these are the taxes which are central government taxes which central government put in the fire. Can you tell me? Central excise duty, service tax, CVD and special CVD, then cess and surcharge, then central sales tax. These all were put in the fire. Now, what were the state government taxes put in the fire? State government told, okay, we will give up. If we have any, if state government is charging any surcharge and cess, gone. Swaha, everyone. I will tell gone, you tell Swaha, put in the fire. Take everyone. Entertainment tax. Swaha. What is entertainment tax, everyone? Movies pay. I told no. Earlier, whenever Devraj and his girlfriend went for movie, what was charged, everyone? Entertainment tax. Now, GST. Swaha, entertainment tax. Taxes on lottery. You know lottery, everyone? Betting, gambling, all this earlier, no, state government used to charge taxes. Now it's not there. What is there now? Sir, lottery, betting, gambling is allowed. Yes, Baba, it is allowed. But now see, horse race is happening. What is horse race? Gambling casino is there. Gambling only. Lottery is there. Karnataka, we don't have lottery, but other states, lottery is there. All these pay. State government charges what everyone? Tax. Now who charges? Both center and because GST has come. Can I quote everyone? Entry tax. Whenever one truck used to enter from other state, no, to our state, state government used to charge entry tax at the entry gate only. Now that is Vaha. Then purchase. Whenever you are buying from any other state, what used to come? Is there or gone? Gone. Swaha. Okay. VAT. What is VAT, everyone? I'm not asking full form. I'm telling what is VAT. State government on sale of goods used to charge what, everyone? VAT. There or Swaha. Gone. Sales tax. VAT. VAT is nothing other than sales tax. There or gone? Gone. And the last one is hotels में luxury tax also gone. So what happened? These people also gave off their taxes. Done. And what came out was what, everyone? GST. But you know what? State government was holding some taxes and central government was also holding some taxes. What are the taxes? Those are not gone because of GST. What are the taxes, everyone? Taxes not subsumed into GST. What are the taxes not subsumed? What are the taxes not gone because of coming of GST? Basic custom duty. What is custom duty? Import and export. Baba, see, import and export, to it is international level ka law. So government is telling center or state will not touch it. But basically, custom duties are collected by central government only. But what government is telling, it will still continue because of coming of GST. Will not say custom duty gone. Custom duty, which is import and export pay duty, it will still continue. Excise duty, sorry, entertainment tax. Baba, entertainment tax other than which entertainment tax, which is levied by, for an example, you would have seen in local panchayat, supposingly one theater show has come. Okay? What they will do, panchayat, they will put one theater. Okay? Screen. People will come, people will sit down and watch. You got my point, everyone? People will sit down and watch the screen, mein, movie, etc. All this local panchayat, municipality, Baba, all the cinema halls, etc. For example, Maharashtra collects Maharashtra ka local entertainment tax also. That is not gold. That is still there. So any local municipality, panchayat, if any entertainment tax is collected, for example, in one small village, one small theater show came, local municipality is selling for the theater show, whatever tickets are sold, 2 rupees has to be collected per person. That is local entertainment tax, means local municipality is collecting. That entertainment tax is still there. On movie theaters, no, still Maharashtra, etc. You will go and see some theaters may they go and charge entertainment tax. That local entertainment tax is still there. The main entertainment tax which was there across India is gone. But local municipality and panchayat charging local entertainment tax, is it gone or still there? Still there. Can we go to everyone? We will. Next. Property. Whenever you buy property, property tax you pay. Array, for your property, you have to pay property tax, stamp duty. Whenever you are registering any document, you have to pay what? Stamp duty. Is it still there? Yes. Electricity pay, electricity duty is still there. Go ahead, see at your home. You will see in your bill electricity duty. That is still there. What is STD? State excise duty. Oh, do you remember which tax, what was that one thing which state government was holding? Ah, alcoholic liquor for human consumption. They told no, we will not put this in Swaha. We will keep it to ourselves. Do you remember, everyone? That alcoholic liquor pay, state government still charges what? State excise. Whenever alcohol is manufactured by anyone in state government, no, in state government will charge state excise duty. That is still there, not gone. And there is something called HP man. What is HP man? HP man. See, Baba, 1 minute. I'll tell you one thing. All these notes, once chapter number 1 will get over, it will be uploaded. Don't worry about it. Okay? If you want to write anything in the class, you can write it. But you know what will happen? For every chapter, I write almost 50 to 100 pages. If I tell you that you start writing, then it will take a lot of time for you us to understand anything. You got my point? 25% students will write, 25% students will take picture, 50% students will start talking. You got my point, everyone? That's why whatever I'm writing, if you want to write after chapter gets over, I'll upload the notes. Then aram se you can download whatever you want, you can write it down. Okay, everyone? Is this point clear to all of you? Is this okay, everyone? Okay, chalo. Now, HV9. H for high speed diesel and nothing baba, it is diesel. What is this in today's sudden? Then P for petroleum. Petroleum crude. Then M for motor spirit. What is motor spirit, everyone? Petrol. But don't go to petrol pump and say, give me motor spirit. They will not understand. Because motor spirit is nothing other than petrol. And A for ATF. ATF means aviation turbine fuel. Okay. N for natural gas. Natural gas, all these below the earth, no, all this methane will be there. All these are what, everyone? Natural gas. So HP man, what is HP man, everyone? With me, everyone. H for high speed diesel, P for petroleum crude, M for motor spirit, A for aviation turbine fuel, and N for these five item pe no. As of now, there is no GST. These five item pe, as of now, there is no GST. Baba, when GST came new, no. Petrol is very sensitive. 1 rupee up and down in petrol, government is bad. Common man, petrol prices are going up, LPG prices are going up. It's very sensitive. And hence government went ahead and told, okay, we will not take mother promise that will not charge GST on what? Petrol product. But as of now, we will not charge. Are you guys able to understand? So as of now, on these five petroleum products, is GST there or not there? But central government still charges central excise duty whenever these products are manufactured. On manufacturing petrol, diesel, etc., what government is charging everyone? Central excise duty. And on alcohol, state government is charging what, everyone? This is what humans drink. This is what car, etc. drink. Okay, everyone? Car, etc. पे central government kept. Human drinking पे who kept, everyone? State government. Is my point clear to all of you? So here, these people kept what, everyone? Alcohol bottle. These people kept what, everyone? I'll draw. I love drawing. Okay. What is this, everyone? Petrol. Okay, everyone. You understood? No. Can we go ahead, everyone? Chalo. Let's go ahead. The next one. Google, can you read all of them and tell me if you're clear with this? Please read. Please read. People watching at home, please read. Are we clear with all the points? Any point you want me to repeat or can we go ahead? See, people, I'm telling one point once. Anyone has any doubt, you'll have to tell me. Okay, everyone? People, okay? So, look, can we go ahead? Okay. Everyone over here, people watching at home, are we all clear till here? The next one. Now, I want to go ahead and talk about trade and commerce. People, tell me one thing. What do you mean by what are the various types of trade that happens in the country? One can be intrastate trade. What is intrastate, everyone? Same state. One can be interstate trade, can be interstate, one can be international. What are the three types of trade, everyone? Intra, international. Correct, everyone? In GST, what is in GST? We don't have three types of trade. In GST, we call it only two types. What? Intrastate is called intrastate. Interstate and international, we have clubbed it in one, which is called interstate only. Are we clear, everyone? So whenever one person, whenever location of supplier and place of supply, location of supplier and place of supply, same location of supplier and where he is supplying is in the same state. So I'll go ahead and write over here, whenever it is within same state. Can you give me one example, everyone? Can you give me one example? If I am supplying from Karnataka and where I am supplying is also in Karnataka, I am in Karnataka, selling within Karnataka. Intrastate? Okay. Within same union territory. Can you tell me what are the various union territories in India? Okay, how many union territories? Hello. Eight. How many of you? Six, five, seven, eight. Maturity. Eight. How many? Eight. People are telling, sir, I to don't know. Okay. Nine. Okay, how many states? 28, 29. Sir, when we were kids, no, we learned 29 only. Wait. India. Oh, ho, ho. How many states? 29. How many of you say? How many of you say 29? Hands up. Okay. One, two, three. Oh, be confident about yourself. Tell yes, no, don't know. Some are telling no, hands are not up. Hands are going here, sir. How many? 28, 29. 29. How many of you? Okay. But then what happened? No. One state, which is the Jammu and Kashmir, no, in 31st October 2029 was removed by the government and there were only 28 states which remained. Government told for Jammu and Kashmir, we will create two union territories. Earlier, how many union territories were there? Seven union territories. Seven union territories. Okay, I'll take the maximum, whatever you guys are telling. Okay, seven union territories made. Two union territory. One is Jammu and Kashmir. One is Ladakh. And how many union territories became? Nine union territories. What is a union territory, everyone? Baba, this is very important. Huh? What is a union territory? Territory of the union government. Territory of the central government. Whenever a place becomes union territory, territory of the union government means the central government imposes control in that union territory. Are we clear? In India, nine territories are there where central government is imposing the control. Everyone listen carefully. How many? Nine. On which central government is imposing the. But there are three union territories who went ahead and told, sir, we will have our own legislature, we will have our own CM, and we will only go ahead and control our territory. Those three territories were TUTs were with legislature. With legislature means they have their own CM, they have their own state legislature. Are we all clear? Who are the three union territories, everyone? Delhi, Pondi. Baba, don't write Pondi. It is Pudu, Delhi. And one is Jammu and they have their own CM, they have their own state legislature. The state ka own Vidhan Sabha is there. All other people know the remaining. How many UTs are there? Six UTs. don't have their own CM. They are being directly controlled by whom, everyone? Central government. What are the six UTs? Can you tell me, everyone? Andaman and Nicobar. Very good, very good. Goa, 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 Goa. Okay, some student told, oh no, I was about to say. Okay, next. Daman and Diu. Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Next. Lakshadweep. Very good. Chandigarh. Some people sitting are telling, first time I'm hearing all this. Next. Ladakh. Next. That's all. You know what happened? Government went ahead and saw, everyone listen, see what and all I have to teach now. Here, this is Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu was very close, nearby. Okay? Here, central government is telling, I have to go ahead and control both the place, correct? Whenever I have to control both the place, I have to issue notice, instruction for both the place separately. So rather than going ahead and controlling both of them separately, let's put both of them in one room and control. See, if two people are in two rooms, you have to go and talk to one, you have to go and talk to other. They put both of them in one room, they merged both of them. And they are no more separate now. They are only one. And the name of the union territory has been changed to Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. So they are not two separate union territory, they are one union territory only. It is Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and hence, can you tell me how many UTs now? Five. And total UTs how many? Are we all clear till here, everyone? So in India, can you tell me how many states are there? How many UTs with legislature? See, how many UTs without legislature? Right. Is my point clear to all of you? Now, you know what? When we read GST may definition, no, I'll teach you. It will come over here. Wait 1 minute. When we will read the definition of a state in GST, it says all the state includes a UTs with legislature. So can you tell me UT with legislature is also a? And hence, can you tell me how many states in GST? Now you learn something new also. Now don't go and tell anyone outside. There are 31 states in India. No. As per GST, how many states are there? 31. But that is only for classroom purpose. Don't go out and start telling. Otherwise, people will tell sir is wrong. But you understood over here? In GST, how many states are there? You know why I told you 31 states? Whenever any goods will be sold, any goods will be sold within a state, no? We should always charge CGST and SGST. Central government will take half, state government will take half. So whenever goods are sold in Delhi, you will charge CGST, and whenever goods are sold in union territories, no, central government charges CGST and union territory ka government charges UT. Who is the union territory ka government? Central government. So this also goes to central government only. But central government uses it for the benefit of that union territory where it is correct. You understood what I'm telling everyone? So for example, 50% collected from Ladakh and 50% central government will keep, 50% UTGST central government will use for the benefit of what? Ladakh. Can I explain again or got it? Did you understand why we went ahead and bifurcated this? How many states in GST, everyone? In states, we went go ahead and charge what, everyone? CGST and SGST. In UT, we charge what? CGST and UTGST. That's why knowing state and UTs are very important. Now listen. Now tell me, whenever transaction is within UT, within the same UT, can you tell me within same UT means Andaman to Andaman? What will you charge? CGST and so Baba, state we always go ahead and charge CGST and SGST. UT we always charge what? CGST and UTGST. Please tell me, are we all clear till here? People watching at home, people over here, are we all clear? Can we go ahead, everyone? Chalo, very good, everyone. People watching at home, I can see Kavita, Aparijita. I think I saw you in the last batch also. Okay. Guru, Ujeri. Okay, only three students are coming and commenting. So I will talk to only you guys. When you have doubt, you can ask me. Others who are not talking to me, you will also not talk to them. Correct, everyone? Can we go ahead, everyone? Otherwise, people, if you are there, all of you have to talk to me. Chalo. Now, everyone over here. See why I'm talking, telling you guys to talk is that you don't sleep. Otherwise, sleeping is very easy at home. Everyone over here now. Interstate. Can you tell me what are the interstate? What do you mean by interstate? Transaction is happening between two states. Can you tell me two states means Karnataka to Maharashtra? Correct? Location of supplier is here. Place where he is supplying is Maharashtra. Or between two UTs. Can you tell me one UT? Andaman. Another UT? Lakshadweep. Correct, everyone? Whenever transaction is happening between one state, one UT. Can you tell me one state, everyone? Hey, they're different, no? Tamil Nadu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. One state, one UT. Correct? Always remember one thing. Or between two countries also. Between two imports and exports whenever it is happening. Yeah. Always government have told it is always termed as what everyone? Interstate. And interstate we always go ahead and charge what everyone? IGST. See Baba. This is CGST. This is SGST. Integrate and charge together. CGST 9, SGST 9, IGST will be how much everyone? 18. That's why always whenever you see a bill of IGST, it's integrated. CGST, SGST integrated and charged as what everyone? IGST. I'll talk about IGST a little more. Why IGST, etc. little later. Can we go ahead, everyone? Now listen. Everyone over here now, listen to me very carefully. Tell me one thing. So I'll ask you some questions. You tell me the answer. Ready, everyone? We will have to go ahead and do location of supplier first and place of okay. Location of supplier. Number one, Karnataka. Place of supply, Karnataka. First, you have to tell me nature, inter or intra. Intra. Intra means you have to tell me the tax also. CGST and SGST. Anyone, any doubt in here? Okay. Second one, I sold the goods from Karnataka, okay, Dadra and Nagar Haveli to Daman and Diu. Daman and Diu. Inter or intra? Why intra? Because both of them are same now. And hence it is intra. You will charge what? CGST and UTGST. Anyone? Any doubt till here? ठीक है चलो. The next one. People watching at home. Very good, very good, very good. People who are commenting. Very good. ठीक है. Next. Third one. Then we have, supposingly, we are selling the goods from Delhi to Delhi. Intrastate or UT? Delhi is state or UT? State. And hence, it is intrastate. What will you charge? UTGST or SGST? That's why I told it's very important to know which is state and which is UT. So, the fourth one. I am in Delhi and I am selling the goods from Delhi to Karnataka. Delhi is what everyone? State. Karnataka is what everyone? State. Two different state. What will you charge? Interstate. And what will come everyone? IGST. Anyone in it out till here? Next one. The next one is fifth one. If you are in the state of supposingly Chandigarh and you are supplying to Chandigarh only, then intra. And intra, what will you charge? And why UTGST? Chandigarh is a union territory. Chalo, sixth one. Delhi to Chandigarh. Delhi is a state. Chandigarh is a union territory. One state to another union territory. Intra or inter? Inter. What will you charge? IGST. ठीक है चलो. Seventh one. I am going ahead. I am in the state of Assam. Supplying to West Bengal. State, another state. Intra or inter? What will I charge? IGST. Very good. ठीक है. I am in the state of Puducherry, I am selling to Delhi. This is what? This is what? Puducherry, Delhi, intra or inter? Inter, what will you charge? IG. Baba, remember, whenever it is inter, it is always what everyone? IGST. Can I explain again or got it everyone? Okay, you tell me one thing. Daman and Diu and Puducherry. Daman is what? Union territory. Puducherry is what? State. Intra or inter? What will come? Anyone, any doubt till here? People watching at home, people over here. Can we close this? Do you know what is intra and do you know what is inter now? People, what is intra? Two different, same state, same UT. What will you charge? CGSTN, SGST, CGSTN, UTGST. Is my point clear? Two different states, two different UT. One state, one UT. One UT, one state. Two different country. Inter and IGST. People watching at home, people over here, are we all clear till here? Chalo. Everyone over here, I've written what is intra, what is inter, and I've written the India ka definition. Would you like to go through it once, everyone? Quickly go through, tell me if you're clear, then we will go ahead. Have we done everyone? Anyone, any doubt? Can I explain again or everyone got it? People watching at home, are we all clear? Very good. Hello, everyone over here now, listen. Now, tell me one thing. Sir, okay, you tell me one thing. For an example, we'll go ahead and take one example. Supposingly, madam, your name? Sindhu. Sindhu is over here. Sindhu went ahead and sold some goods. For example, Sindhu is in Karnataka. Sindhu sold some goods, supposingly to, who is this, everyone? Darshan. This is Sindhu. Sindhu is in Karnataka. She is a dealer in goods. Darshan is in Karnataka. Darshan wanted to buy some goods. Okay? Sindhu went ahead and sold some goods to Darshan. Can you tell me, Sindhu, what is the tax you are going to charge? 1 lakh rupees ka goods you have sold. You are in Karnataka. Darshan also is in Karnataka. What will you charge? CGST, for example, 9%, 9,000 rupees. CGST 9,000. SGST how much? 9%, 9,000. You know, because you are registered in Karnataka, you will charge Karnataka SGST. Whichever state you are registered, that state ka government ka tax you charge. Is my point clear to all of you? For example, I am registered in Karnataka, I'll charge CGST and Karnataka SGST. So can you tell me everyone, see in the bill you'll see CGST only, but actually the supplier is registered in Karnataka, so supplier will charge Karnataka SGST. Can you tell me now when she will collect that money from you, she will pay CGST to whom? Central government how much? And she will pay To Karnataka state government, how much? 50% central government got, 50% state government got. Is my point clear to all of you? Is my point clear to all of you? Tell me one thing. If Darshan is an unregistered person, will Darshan take any credit or no credit? No credit. 1 minute. Huh. Huh. But if Darshan is not a registered person, then Baba, ultimate consumption happened where everyone? Karnataka government got the tax. Is my point clear to all of you? But tell me one thing, in the same example, if I go ahead and say over here that Darshan is a registered person. If Darshan is a registered person, what will he want? He will want input tax credit. Are yes or no? Can you tell me, can central government give him the credit? Yes, central government will give 9,000 credit. Where is Darshan? So, can state government of Karnataka, because Darshan also is registered in Karnataka, he knows the Karnataka government. So, Karnataka government will give him 9,000 ka credit. What will he do with the credit, everyone? Set off against output tax. Is my point clear to all of you? Sure, everyone? Hey, chalo, I'll ask you one question. For example, this is Sindhu over here, and this is Devraj over here. Devraj, tell no yes. Ah, this is C is in Karnataka, Devraj is in Tamil Nadu. Everyone? He went ahead and sold goods worth rupees 1 lakh. How much, everyone? Now, she went ahead and told, I will go ahead and charge. What will she charge? CGST, SGST, or IGST? Integrate together CGST, SGST, and she'll charge IGST. How much IGST, everyone? 18% means, you know what, everyone? IGST goes to central government. IGST goes to whom, everyone? Think that there is no concept of IGST. Think there is no concept of, and there's two taxes only, center and she charge. Sindhu is registered in Karnataka, she charge CGST 9,000. Think, like that happened. And she'll charge Karnataka SGST how much? You tell me one thing. He went ahead and paid CGST 9,000. Karnataka state government how much? You think one thing. He's an unregistered person. Where did the consumption happen? It means 50% should go to central government, 50% to Tamil Nadu government. No, because that's the destination. Do you guys agree with me? But where is the tax lying? Karnataka state government. Is it right or wrong? Did you see the problem? GST is a destination based consumption tax. Where is the consumption happening? Tamil Nadu. Where is the tax remaining? Right or wrong? Madam husbands, concentrate. Right or wrong? Wrong. Correct? This is one problem. Secondly, chalo, I'll pick it up. People, did you understand the first problem? Chalo. Copy this. Now tell me one thing. If Devraj is supposedly registered person, Devraj is a registered person, then he will want input tax credit, CGST how much? And he would want SGST 9,000. Correct? He is registered in Tamil Nadu. So he knows only which government? Tamil Nadu. So he will go and tell Tamil Nadu government, I am registered with you, I want 9,000 credit. Tamil Nadu government will tell him what? You paid to Karnataka and you are asking me to give you credit. Get lost. Are you guys able to understand? And hence, will he get the credit or he will not get? GST promised that you will always get full credit. Yes or no, everyone? Is the promise fulfilled or not fulfilled? It means tax will remain with the origin government and destination may you will not get the credit only. Is there a problem or no problem? No credit. And hence, again one problem. Do you guys agree with me? Shall I repeat this or got it? Got it? Now to solve this problem, in case of interstate, what government told? Ramesh, if it's an interstate transaction, don't charge what? CGST and SGST. Listen, Ramesh, or not Ramesh, Sindhu, when you are selling, charge CGST and SGST, integrate together and charge. So what will she charge everyone? So she will charge IGST, C and S together means 18. 18,000. She will collect, she will pay to the central government. IGST always goes to whom everyone? How much came to central government? If this guy is unregistered person, no, central government will keep 50%. How much? 9,000 central government will give. 9,000 central government will give to which government? Tamil Nadu government. Tell me one thing. If Tamil Nadu state government got the tax, where is the consumption happening? Consumption tax happened. Is the consumption state getting the tax? Is central government getting 50%? Is GST consumption tax? Is 50-50 happening already? How it is happening? Because of IGST. And IGST goes to whom, everyone? Central government divides between whom? Center and state. Which state, everyone? So I'll ask you one more question. Supposingly, in the same question, everyone over here, if Devraj is a registered person, what will happen? Again, Sindhu, when she sold, she will charge IGST because he is in Tamil Nadu. How much, everyone? This 18,000, Sindhu will give it to whom? How much? Central. Tell me one thing. Is central government same for everyone? Even if you are registered in Tamil Nadu or you are in Karnataka, does central government differ for everyone? It is same for all. So, Baba, can central government, if he is registered person, he wants what? Central government will give him ITC, which he can use to pay his output tax. So tell me one thing. Whenever goods are sold from one state to another state, can you charge CGST and SGST or can't charge? Why can't charge? Because if you charge CGST and SGST, if he is an unregistered person, he will not want credit. But tax will go to central government and origin government. Is this a problem? To solve this problem, what did they do? Charge IGST, give it to government. Central government will keep 50 and 50% who will keep, everyone? Origin or destination? Is it good? Okay. If the front person is registered person, if you charge CGST, SGST and front person is in other state, will he get credit? What credit will he not get? Central ka credit, okay, he will get. State ka credit, he won't get. What is the problem if you don't get credit? It will form part of your cost and then tax on. You remember, if GST may also cascading effect will start, tax on tax, then what is the benefit of getting GST? Are we all able to understand this? And hence, what did they do? They told whenever you are selling from one state to another, what to charge everyone? IGST will go to whom? Central government will give the full credit. If I get full credit, will I add anything to my cost or nothing? Any tax on tax will happen or nothing? Nothing. Can I repeat this or got it? Are you sure, everyone? People watching at home, people over here, are we all 100% clear? Clear? Chalo, theek hai. Everyone over here now, let's go ahead. People, shall I repeat or got it? Last bench, everyone. Got it? Chalo, theek hai. Everyone over here, people watching at home are telling, sir, done. Theek hai. People over here, done? Hello. Guys, very you like it or you don't like it? You have to study. Yes or no, everyone? If you have come to class paying fees, smile and study, enjoy and study. You have to study. If you are sad, then also you have to study. Correct or not, everyone? Hello, everyone over here now. Let's go ahead. See, Baba, everyone, everyone in life wants to only relax and enjoy. Correct? No? Yes or no? If given an option, what will you think? Sir, I should be sitting at home, aram se scrolling my phone, enjoying life. Correct? But there are some things in life which you will have to do it, whether you like it or don't like it. If you like it, it is better. It will be easy. Arey, yes or no, everyone? Aram se come to class, enjoy the class. After 1 o'clock, aram se go home and enjoy. No, sir, after 1 o'clock also so much is there to do. It's okay. It is life. You'll have to do lot of things. Can we go ahead, everyone? Chalo. Everyone over here now. Let's go ahead. Chalo. Everyone over here. Please see this. Are we clear with trade and commerce wala point? Tell me one thing, everyone. Whenever it is intra, what will you charge? And CGST and duty GST. Inter, IGST. Is my point 100% clear? So tell me one thing. There's something called over here dual model of GST. Can you see dual model of GST? What do you mean by dual model? See, everyone listen carefully. There are three models which are internationally followed. Okay? Or two models which are internationally followed for GST. One is called a national model and one is called a dual model. Sir, what is a national model? In national model, no. All the tax, whenever transaction will happen, no, it will go to central government. All the money will go to whom? Any goods sold, any service supplied, tax goes to whom? Central government. Central government decides. Central government then gives to state. So first, all the money will come to central government. Then, whichever state ka tax is there, 50%, this state, this state, this state, this state. So you tell me, whenever any transaction will happen, all the money will go to whom? Central. And then central government will distribute. This is called which model, everyone? National. But in India, national model was not possible. Why? All tax going to the central government, BJP. One state mein BJP is there. They are getting money very fast. One state mein other government is there. They are getting money little slow. Baba, I'm not with any political party, or I don't love any political party or hate any political party. I am telling only for classroom understanding. Okay? So what all the state government decided? No, 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 we don't want national model. What if center mein BJP is there? Our money comes late. Then hence government went ahead and told, okay, fine. Baba, so government went ahead and told what? Okay, fine. We will not go ahead and get all the money to center first and then distribute to other state. Are we clear, everyone? Government went ahead and told we will go ahead and adopt national model. What is national model? Whenever any transaction will happen, no, 50% will come to center, 50% to the state. Story only over. Center does not have to give anything to the state. 50% central government kept, 50% state. So whenever you will see your bill nowadays, you will see what CGST and SGST. So they are telling, sir, but still, center say state is little dependent. When intra or inter? Sir. Inter ka case में money goes to whom? And then center will distribute to the respective state. Do you guys agree with me? But this is only for few transactions. You say, tell me one thing, all of you sitting in the class, how many times have you seen IGST? In your bill, have you seen IGST? You will not generally see IGST. You will see what? CGST and so CGST goes to center and SGST goes to state government. Whenever it is IGST, who will keep? 50% center and center will take full. Then center will distribute to the respective state. State government told no problem, little bit money, even if it is coming here and there little late, it's okay. I'm not telling central government will delay only. I'm telling states told we don't want. You tell me one thing. Okay, forget it. You are working in a company. You want your money to first come to Papa salary, and then you tell Papa, I have to go out with my girlfriend. I have to go here. I have to go there. Please give some money. Or you would want your salary ka money directly to come to you. Directly only, no. Do you like to be dependent or independent? So, Papa, in the same way, states told we don't want to depend on whom? Central government. You give central government 50% to the state. Is my point clear? And hence, what was introduced? Dual model of GST. What is dual model of GST, everyone? Any transaction happening in India, people, any transaction happening in India, 50% to central government, 50% to Any transaction is happening within union territory, 50% to center, 50% to union territory government. Done. But any transaction which is inter, what will happen? First, central government will take an apportion between center and, but still there is division, no? They are dividing between center and state. So it is always which model, everyone? Dual model of GST. People, see over you on. India has adopted dual model of, which is imposed together by center and state. You tell me one thing. I am giving you service. What will I charge? CGST, and I am giving you goods. What will I charge? CGST and GST by center is CGST, SGS state or UT is SGST, or earlier for services who used to charge? Center. For goods who used to charge? Now center has the power to charge intra-state goods ka sale pay also, and state has the power to charge on, because now it does not matter goods or service. Both will charge how much? 50/50. Can we go ahead, everyone? Earlier service pay only who used to charge? And goods ka sale within the state who used to charge? But now for both the transaction, both will charge. Can we go ahead, everyone? And it says India has adopted its model from whom? Copy paste from whom? Canada say India has copy pasted the model. Can we go ahead, everyone? Next. Everyone over here, can you please read this dual model and tell me if you're clear, everyone? Are we done, people? Can we go ahead, everyone? People, are we all done till here? Hello, everyone over here. Now listen. Dual model, you guys have understood. People, right side, can you see the various goods and service and the various taxes which I have written over here? Here they have gone ahead and told what are the various types of goods and service, and on that, what are the various types of taxes which are there. Number one, alcoholic liquor. State government will charge what? This is on manufacturing. This is on what, everyone? If I manufacture alcoholic liquor, what should I pay? When I sell, what will I pay? If I sell within the state, I will say pay VAT. Outside the state, what was there? GST. GST is not there. Can I go ahead, everyone? HPMN. What is HPMN, everyone? High speed diesel, petroleum crude, motor spirit, aviation turbine fuel, and central government charges what? Whenever manufacturing will be done, whenever it is sold within the state, outside the state, old taxes are still continuing. Tobacco. People, tobacco ke liye, government told whenever tobacco manufacturing will be done, central government will charge what? Still it is charging. And you know what? When it is sold, still now they have started GST also. It means tobacco, there are two taxes. Central government is charging excise duty also, and they told, sir, all taxes gone. No, still some taxes are there. Next, what is OPM, everyone? Drugs, narcotics, all these drugs are there. OPM is there. Correct, everyone? Students, sir, ganja. Okay, all these items which are there, ha, baba. All these OPM items which are there. No, all these uh, bad things which are there. This ka good medicinal use is also there. Okay, and for that the sale will be done. Are we clear, everyone? So whenever the sale is done for manufacturing, it is called what, everyone? State excise duty, and also what will be charged? GST. All other goods and service, what is charged, everyone? Only GST, GST and GST. Can you please go through this once, everyone? We go ahead, everyone. Everyone over here now, I would like to go to the Q&A material to go ahead and do some questions with you guys. Okay, everyone, of whatever we have learned so that we can go ahead and learn little more little later. Please come to Q&A material, everyone. See, Baba, what we have learned, we have to also see, no, what kind of questions come. Come to your Q&A material, everyone. Hello, everyone over here now, listen. What are the salient features of indirect tax? Did we learn the features of indirect tax? Same thing, important source of revenue. Same thing, everyone. From the textbook, same question, theoretical question. Next, did we learn what are the central government taxes gone? State government taxes gone? And the next page, which are the taxes which are not gone? Did we learn this, everyone? Next, everyone over here. Baba, third question is good question. Good question means those questions which are important from exam point of view, very important. See, I can't say that the first one will not come, but I'm telling the third one is a good one. Can we go ahead, everyone? Next one. People, did we learn all this? Next one. What are the problems in the earlier tax system because of which GST came? Sir, certain transaction board taxes were there. Cascading effect. Do you remember, everyone? Central excise duty ka taxes were not available. Do you remember? Single tax, multiple taxes were there. State level VAT and service tax were not integrated. People, I want to tell you this line. State level and service tax, I'll go ahead and explain this. CST was causing cascading effect. These two lines, you'll go ahead and understand now. Everyone here. Sir, people here. State level VAT and service tax were not integrated, causing cascading effect. I'll go ahead and tell you. For an example, everyone here now. People listen. Earlier, for example, I'm a teacher. When I'll go ahead and provide you services, tomorrow you will get jacket. Everyone over here now. Listen, everyone. Tell me one thing. Whenever I'm providing services earlier, for example, I gave 1 lakh rupees ka service. To provide the service, what will I buy? For example, I bought this iPad. Earlier, I bought a laptop, I bought an iPad to provide service. So when I buy the laptop, I'll go ahead and pay. For example, 1 lakh rupees ka laptop, I'll go ahead and pay earlier what, everyone? Goods. Laptop was goods. Goods pay, you pay what? VAT. For example, I paid 10% VAT, 10,000, 1.1 lakh. You know what? If I am a service provider, service, I am registered under what? Service tax. And Baba, service tax means I am registered with central government. Do you guys agree with me? VAT went to whom? And hence, I used to never get the credit. Will I get the credit of VAT or no credit? Can you tell me laptop costed me 1 lakh or 1 lakh 10? 1 lakh 10. Now, when I am going ahead and recovering fees from you, this laptop is used for you only. Directly used for you only, no. So this laptop ka cost is 1,10,000. From whom will I recover? From you only. So basically, when I'm charging you the fees, if the fee should have been 1,000 rupees per student, I'll charge 1,010 rupees. Wow. Laptop ka cost also I'll recover. Plus, I'll recover from you what? VAT also. Array. So for laptop, I'll recover 10 rupees plus VAT ke liye I'll recover 1 rupee. Ultimately, the burden will go to whom? Do you guys understand, everyone? So what they are trying to say is, they are trying to say over here is, state level VAT and service tax was not causing what? 1 minute. Did I include the tax in my selling price? Array, this VAT, did I get the credit or did not get? It means it will come in my cost. So when I am charging you the fees, will I charge you for the laptop? Will I charge you for the VAT also, which I did not get the credit? So ultimately, it is 1,011 rupees. Now I'll charge you service tax. So is service tax coming on tax also? Is this causing cascading effect also? Did you guys understand this point, everyone? Please tell me, shall I repeat this or got it? Earlier, whenever we as teachers, we used to buy anything, service provider, we used to buy anything, any goods, no credit. If no credit of any goods, whether laptop, printer, paper, whatever we used to buy, we never used to get any. If no credit, it will become part of the, if it is a part of the cost, total amount will include tax. When I'll charge service tax, will it be tax on tax? Is it cascading effect? Can I explain again or got it? People, you will have to tell me, are we all 100% clear? People watching at home, are we all clear till here? Everyone over here now, next. Everyone over here now, next. CST cost tax cascading. What is CST cost tax cascading? Central sales tax being origin based tax, it violated consumption principle. Chalo, I'll go ahead and explain you. Everyone listen carefully. Number one, what is CST? Whenever you sell goods from one state to earlier, what used to happen? For example, one seller is there in Karnataka, another buyer is there in Delhi. Okay? This guy is in Delhi. Everyone over here now, listen. Guru, repeat it. Repeat it. Is it clear now? Okay? Everyone over here now, listen. Karnataka guy sold the goods to person in Delhi. Now what we charge everyone? IGST. IGST 50% state government, 50% to state, 50% to destination. Is destination principle followed? Yes or no? Earlier it was not followed. Earlier what used to happen? See, whenever one person used to sell goods to other person in other state, no, 100 rupees ka goods, he used to charge central sales tax 2 rupees. There was CST percentage was how much only? 102. This guy used to pay him 100 rupees plus 2 rupees. You know, Karnataka registered guy will pay this 2 rupees central sales tax to Karnataka government because you are registered only in Karnataka. Central sales tax, it was called central because the law was made by central government. Central government told whenever any goods are sold from one state to another, one state to another, only CST will come 2 rupees. Who made the law? But collection was done by whom? Law was made by central government, but collected by whom? That's why you will see CST comes in central tax, but collected by whom actually, everyone? Which state government? Origin state. Now you tell me one thing. 1 minute. This Delhi guy is a registered person. Will he get any input tax credit of 2 rupees CST? Why no? Because he is registered where? He went to Delhi government and he told, sir, give my 2 rupees. Delhi government will tell, get out. Go to Karnataka government and ask why? Because you gave the tax to whom? Karnataka government. Is my point clear to all of you? And hence, people, will he get any credit or no credit? ITC was not given. When ITC was not given, can you tell me what is his cost? Why not? When he will sell, he will charge VAT on what? What will happen now? Cascading. So what they are telling again, CST was causing cascading. Being origin based tax, can you tell me CST remains with destination state or origin state only? It violated consumption tax principle. My question to all of you, I sold goods from my state to your state. I charge you CST. CST I gave to my government. You never got the credit. Tax is origin or destination? Origin. Correct or wrong? Now what happens? Now when I sell you other state, what do I charge you? IGST. IGST goes to whom? Central. If you are in other state, consumer, 50% to central government, 50% to state government. Please tell me everyone, are we all clear till here? Can I explain again or complete? People watching at home, are we all clear till here? People, I would want us to read all this together once. Okay? Number one, certain taxes were being double taxed on goods and service due to unclear distinction. Tell me one thing. Restaurant, okay? Restaurant. What used to happen, everyone? Service tax and VAT. Doubly taxed, certain transaction. Problem, no problem. Problem. Now what will happen? Only GST. Okay. Some people who had taken the earlier version 9, this question was not there. Why, sir? Because it is May 25 now ka question. Okay. That time I think this question was not there in version 9. It's okay. It's May 25 ka question paper ka question only. Can we go ahead, everyone? Next. There were There was cascading of tax between SENVAT excluded value in distribution stage and central level state. SENVAT loaded on goods were not removed. Nothing. What they are trying to tell? Whenever central sales tax was being, what are they telling? See, cascading of tax because central sales tax. What is central VAT? What is central VAT, everyone? Excise duty. Excluded value addition in distribution stage and in the state level VAT. SENVAT loaded was not removed. Okay. Okay. This and this point you understand. The credit of central excise duty and state level could not be set off against each other. Okay, what happened over here? This one you leave it. This is too much for you to write. You tell me one thing. Do you remember manufacturer sold the goods to whom? Wholesaler. Wholesaler, is he getting the credit of excise duty? Why? Because he is not registered under excise duty. So when manufacturer sold the goods to wholesaler, he is not getting the credit. Array, central excise duty, are you getting the credit or not getting the credit? If you don't get the credit, it will become part of your. If it becomes part of your cost, again, what will happen? Cascading effect. This much only you can remember. Can we go ahead, everyone? Next. Sometime what happens? No, the person who writes the answer also. See, at inter level, you'll never be able to write such kind of complicated lines. You got my point? Sometimes when the answers are written, they are written from a point of view which becomes very difficult for students to understand and write. So what we as teachers go ahead and do, we go ahead and tell the students, write it in a simple way. Can we go ahead, everyone? Next. For single transaction, multiple taxes. Baba, multiple taxes. Luxury tax is there. Entertainment tax is there. Earlier, what was there? VAT was there. So now all the multiple taxes are gone. Next. State level VAT and this last one. Did I already explain to you? So you can write A, C, D, E, F, 5. Second point, you can ignore it. Can we go ahead, everyone? Are we all clear till here? Next. People, GST is a destination-based tax on consumption of goods, services, or both. Do you guys agree with me? Is GST a destination-based tax? If I go ahead and sell the goods to B, A sells the goods to B, A is in Karnataka, B is in Tamil Nadu. Tax will go to whom? Tamil Nadu. Why? Destination is Tamil Nadu. The consumption is happening in Tamil Nadu. Would you guys like to read it once? People, from the next chapter onwards, we'll start practicing writing also. Today, I'm just telling you to read. Read. Read, everyone. Read. Is this point clear to all of you? Is it clear? Shall I repeat or read or got it? Well, tell no, yes, no, don't know. Did you read everyone? Chalo, next. People, under GST, only value addition is taxed and burden of tax is to be borne by final consumer. Do you examine the validity? Is it valid, everyone? Tax is borne by whom? Consumer. Okay. What are the benefits that will come to the country? Did we understand benefits of GST, unified national market, boost to make in India? All the points I went and told, same thing has been told here. Can we go ahead, everyone? Which are the commodities which have been kept outside GST? Can you tell me, everyone, which are the commodities outside GST? Alcoholic liquor and HP man. Do you remember, everyone? Reading category again, read at home, nothing. What type of GST is proposed to be implemented? Why is dual GST required? Can you tell me what is the GST which is proposed to be implemented in India? Dual model. Correct, everyone? In dual model, what happens, everyone? Central government charges CGST, state government charges what? Union territory government charges. Whenever it is inter, what will come? IGST goes to whom? And central government distributes between center and. So is GST a dual model, everyone? Same thing. Then they went ahead and told alcoholic liquor pay what taxes will come. Can you tell me alcohol pay what taxes will come? State excise duty and VAT or GST. Petrol pay, Baba. Central excise duty, VAT and CST. Tobacco, GST and central excise. OPM, narcotics, state excise duty and all other goods. That's all, everyone. We are done till here. All the questions also we have gone ahead and covered when we did till here. I'll give you 30 seconds to talk to each other and then we'll continue. If anyone, any doubt, you can tell me. It is not a break. Break I'll give you after 15 minutes. Okay. People watching at home, are we all clear till here? Then we continue, everyone. People, listen. These question answers which are there are nothing other than what we have just now learned. Is my point clear, everyone? Whatever we had just learned, the same in the manner of question answers have been given over here. Can we go ahead, everyone? Now, the next one is constitutional provision. Please come to constitutional provision. When you see question answers also, no. I have gone ahead and bifurcated question answers in such a way that you will know these are the basic, these are relating to constitutional provision. So when you are reading constitutional provision, after that you can come and do these question answers. Can we go ahead, everyone? People, can we go ahead? Okay, everyone. Chalo, let's go ahead. You will tell me one thing. Sir, why are we learning Constitution of India? Are yes or no? When we are here to learn GST. Listen, to make GST ka law, to collect GST, you need what? GST Act, means GST ka law. To make GST ka law, who will give the power? Constitution, Mother Act. It's the mother of all the acts. It will allow, only then you can make one act. And if you have the GST Act, only then you can collect GST. So to make GST Act, you need the power from whom? Constitution. Constitution was drafted back then in 1947-48, correct? 47. Now that time, do you think in the Constitution of India it was told that GST ka law can be made by the government and government can collect GST? That time, did India even think about GST? No. But now that India have thought about collecting GST, the first Mother Act has to allow to make GST ka law. So they went ahead and made changes in the Mother Act. GST related thoughts were put in the Mother Act so that GST ka act can be made and so that GST can be collected. Are we all clear till here? And that's why the Constitution of India was amended. Can we go ahead, everyone? What is the Constitution of India, everyone? The Mother Act. Now, what are the changes that happened? Why did the changes happen? We have to understand. Can we go ahead, everyone? Now, whenever we go ahead and learn about the Constitution of India, the first section which comes over here is Article number 265. Tell me one thing, everyone. Everyone over here now. What is an article? It's like one paragraph in the Constitution. In the Constitution of India, one paragraph is there. Okay? You think a small kind of chapter. Okay? In that article means one paragraph, you think. In that, they went ahead and told, that no tax shall be levied or collected unless without the authority of law. It means, tell me one thing, without any act, can you collect any tax? Who told no? It means if I have to collect GST, I should have what? GST Act. If I have to collect income tax, I should have what? Act. Income Tax Act. If earlier I had to collect VAT Act. Excise Act. All this was told by whom, everyone? Constitution of India is telling you can't impose a tax also, you can't collect a tax also unless the authority of law is there. It means the act has to be. Who will make the act? Which government? Central government, state government? They went ahead and told in article number 245 of the Constitution of India. Can you tell me, everyone, parliament and central government is same or different? State government and parliament is same or different? Central government and parliament is same or different? Same, same or different? Tell no. People who are talking, oh, please talk. It will not help you. You paid money to come to class and see, Baba. It's like going to eat masala dosa, paying for it, and then throwing in the dustbin and coming home. Classes for which you are paid is way more expensive than a 50 rupees ka masala dosa. Coming to class and just talking to your friend, you're wasting the money which your parents have paid. See, I can tell you once, I can tell you twice, but people who are talking, no, they don't bother only. They talk and they're like, ha, full bench they will disturb. You got my point, everyone? I'm telling again and again, people who are talking, continuously talking since morning. See, I don't want to be a bad boy by scolding you. I want to be a good teacher who wants to only teach. Kindly don't talk. I don't want to scold. I don't want to throw you out of the class. I don't want to do all those things. Because if I throw you out of the class, no, when you'll come till CA final, you'll be like, hey, this teacher is not good. He threw me out of the class. But I'm telling since morning, don't talk, but you're not stopping only. There are some students continuously since morning. Hey, ha, ha. Disturbing me also, you're disturbing neighbors also. So kindly don't talk. If you want to talk, aram se go out, sit, have a coffee, aram se sit out and talk. No, why in the class disturb? Correct, no, everyone? Yes or no, everyone? We have all come over here to learn. Yes or no? So let's all learn. No. Okay. And people who are talking, please stop. Third time since morning, I'm telling. Okay. Now listen. Article number 245. Can you tell me, everyone, what is the difference between central government and parliament, everyone? What is the difference between central government and parliament? See, central government is the government at the center. Means the ruling party which is there. Is my point clear to all? It means whole of India ke liye, who is the government? The central government. As of now, the BJP is there. Correct, everyone? But we are not talking about BJP, Congress, anyone. Okay? What I'm telling is government at the center. Now, whoever government is the ruling party of the country, no? Whoever government is the ruling party of the government, they decide in India what law we want to make the country run better. To run the country better, which law will need? Who will decide, everyone? Central government. So what central government will do? No, central government will create one small committee of some people. Okay? These are whom, everyone? People who are sitting and they will create one committee. This committee will go ahead and make a draft bill saying we want GST to be introduced or we want RERA Act, Real Estate Regulation Act. So RERA ka one draft bill will be made. How will the law look like? Got my point? This law ka bill will be sent to Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha mein some shouting, some talking, some discussion will happen. Then, Baba, it will go to Rajya Sabha mein some talking, some discussion, some shouting, etc. will happen. Then this bill will be passed from Rajya Sabha and it will go to whom? President will go ahead and sign it and it will become what everyone? Act or the law. Is my point clear? So Baba, tell me one thing. Who is the parliament? Parliament is the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. And central government is the government at the center who just says to run the country better what law we. Is my point clear? He is not working. Okay. When did it stop? Just now. 5 minutes back. Really? You guys are not telling me only. Okay, I will repeat. People watching at home, was the screen working for you or not working for you? Then we'll leave this student, no problem. You guys saw and did not see. Okay, we'll do again. No problem. I love drawing anyways. Okay, everyone tell me one thing. So screen is not working. Then what did you guys hear for 5 minutes? Okay, when did it stop? It's drawing only. And why you did not tell you are making me repeat again? Screen is not working. Then why you did not comment? ठीक है. Everyone over here now. Listen. ठीक है. We'll do it again, everyone. See. Central government is the government at the center. Means India में which is the ruling government is called the central government. ठीक है. Central government, no, they will create one committee where they will make people sit. You understood my feeling, no, without drawing also? Yeah, I love you all. ठीक है. This. Now central government is the government at the center. They will create one committee. Committee will go ahead and make one draft bill thing. For example, central government told to run the country better, we need the Real Estate Regulation Act, RERA Act. How real estate should work? We want the Real Estate Regulation Act. So RERA Act we want. This committee will be formed who will make the RERA draft bill. Draft bill means how the act will be. Are we clear? How the law will look like. This bill will go to whom? Lok Sabha. Working no? Then this bill will go to whom everyone? Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha mein discussion will happen. ठीक है? Agreement, disagreement, everything will happen. Then this bill go to whom everyone? President. And President Madam will go ahead and sign. And it will become what everyone? Or the, are we all clear till here? In this is the, and this is the central government. Is my point clear? Is parliament different from the central government? Central government is the government at the center who decides what law to come in the country. And parliament is central government, then opposition party, all the parties are there, their representatives are there, and they all decide, and then accordingly, the law is getting approved. Is my point clear to all? Can I go ahead, everyone? Now, you tell me one thing. If Parliament makes a law, if Parliament makes a law, that law will be applicable to all India or only to one state? So they went ahead and told, if any law is made by Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, that will be law for the whole. That law can be made applicable to the whole or any part of the territory of India. It means it can be applicable to the whole of India or just a part of. Can I go ahead, everyone? Then they told state legislature. What do you mean by state legislature? Our state ka Vidhan Sabha is there. In Vidhan Sabha also, same way they go ahead and make the law. But tell me one thing, if in one state ka Vidhan Sabha, for example, our state ka Vidhan Sabha is there, the same way state legislature is there in all the state. If state legislature mein one law is made, is it applicable to across India or only that state? Only that state. So that is not told by you, that is told by here only. State legislature making law is applicable to whole or any part of the state. Is my point clear to all? Now you tell me one thing. If a law is made by Modi government, Modi ji is passing it through parliament, applicable to the whole of country. Mamta Didi in West Bengal went ahead and made a law in the same topic. Which law will be applicable to West Bengal? He will tell my law because my state. Modi government will tell your state is coming in India. So central government ka law, parliament ka law. So which law will be applicable? And hence, so that there is no fight. There is no fight. They went ahead and decided this topics pe Central government will make law. These topics पे state government will make law. And these topics पे like brother sister will make law together. So that they went ahead and told article number 246 may one annexure they put. Annexure means it's called the schedule. Seventh schedule means the seventh annexure. One list is there where they divided the power to make the law between whom? List number one, list number two, list number three. Union list means who will make the law? Central government through where? Through parliament. List number two may who will make the law? List number three, both the government will make the law together. Tell me one thing, everyone. Sir, can you please show us the list? Yes, Baba, I'll go ahead and show you here only in the book I've gone ahead and given. Sir, we want to go to that page number. Baba, page number 1.9, it is there. Page number 1.9. Everyone here, see. Distribution to make the law. Number one, union list. Income tax, who makes the law? Central government. Custom duty, who will make the law? Okay, I'll ask you. Police ka law, who will make? Defense ka law, who will make? Center. Police ka law? State. Correct? So basically, whatever is of national importance, who will make the law? Center. Whatever is state importance, who will make the law? Can I go ahead, everyone? So they told over here, HP man pay excise duty. Central excise duty is there, no? So who made the law? Central. Central sales tax, who made the law? Any other matter which is not there in list number 2 and 3, who will make the law? Center. State government. Agriculture income pay. As of now, agriculture income, there is no tax, but if it comes, who will make the law? State. State excise duty on alcoholic liquor. Opium, who will make the law? State. VAT ka law, who will make? State. Luxury tax, entertainment tax, amusement, betting, gambling pay. Earlier, who is to make the law? State. People, can I tell you concurrent list where central government and state government both make the law together? One example, can you tell me? Education. Central policy is also there. And in frame of that central policy, states also make. Array, state board, central board, both are there. So law, education ka law is made by whom? Both the government together. Can I go ahead, everyone? Tell me one thing. By chance, any law is made by center and state both, but there is a fight. Whose law will be supreme? That also they told. Article number 254 may. They told any inconsistency between the law made by parliament and law made by state. Article 254 says supremacy will be of which law? Parliament. So people, can you tell me, first thing I told you, can you collect a tax? You cannot collect a tax unless you have the law. Who will make the law? Parliament, state legislature, and both of them together. Do you guys agree with me? List number one, list number two, list number three. If parliament makes the law, it will be applicable to whole of Allah Baba. It will be applicable to whole of country. If state legislature makes the law, applicable only to the state. Correct? So that both of them don't make the law with one topic, both of them are making the law. That fight should not happen. That's why they divided the power to make law within how many lists? Union list, state list, concurrent list. Union list, who will make the law? Central government. State list, and last concurrent list, both. Is my point clear to all? Can we go ahead, everyone? Are we all clear till here? Can we go ahead, everyone? So, okay. If any law is made by both of them and any problem is there, then whose law will prevail? Parliament wala law, which is passed by the parliament. Can I go ahead, everyone? People, can we go ahead? Now, everyone listen to me very carefully. So I went ahead and told over here, article number. Now, you tell me one thing. Okay, do one thing. You take a 15 minutes break, you come back, and then I'll continue. Okay, till here is everything clear? Till here is every point clear, everyone? Tell me one thing. 1 minute, 1 minute. If after the break, what did we learn till now? Transactions are of two type, intra and intra means within the same state, within the same UT. We charge what? CGST and CGST UT. Inter, what do we charge? IGST. We learned only this much. We learned various taxes on various goods and service, small ones. Then we learned constitutional provision. Constitutional provision may we learned that first article is there, Article 265, which says if you want to collect any tax, authority of law. Law will be made by whom? Parliament and state legislature. And then they divided the power in union list, state list, and is my point 100% clear till here? Can I go ahead, everyone? Chalo, you come back from the break and then we'll learn remaining little is there and we'll be done. Chalo, let's go ahead and take a small break, everyone. Everyone over here now, listen. Now we have, see, everyone here. Tell me one thing. Everyone here. Tell me one thing. In the here, can you see anywhere GST ka power is given to both the government to make the law? Do you see GST over here? No. Correct, everyone. But to make the GST Act, everyone over here, people, I gave you already time to talk. Now time's up. You will have to listen. Listen. To make the GST, to collect GST, who needs the power? Central government and the state government. Do you guys agree with me? But can you see anywhere in this list that GST has been written? That GST ka law can be made by central government and state government both? Can you see anywhere in the list? Is it there in list number 1? No. Is it there in list number 2? And both the government have to make the list, make the law. So it should have come in the concurrent list. Correct, everyone? But then state government went ahead and told, don't write it here. Because if you write it over here, what state government will say that will always be inferior. Whose law will be superior? Parliament. Do you guys agree with me? And hence they went ahead and told, we don't want central government that you write GST ka power is there with both the government to make the law. And then 254 will tell whose law will be supreme? Parliament ka law. States did not agree. States told, please make one new article only in the Constitution of India and give equal power to central government and state government so that they can collect GST equally. Is my point clear, everyone? And hence, what got introduced was article number 246A and article number 269A. Everyone, who introduced article number 269A and 246A? The amendment in the Constitution of India. Because of the amendment, what got introduced, everyone? Article number 246A, and let's read 246A. Everyone over here now, there were significant amendment which was done, which are discussed below. Screen not working? Oh, come to page number 1.11, everyone. Page number 1.11. See, it says article number 246A, special provision with respect to what? GST. So GST ka law can be made by whom? They introduce one special provision. Okay, everyone? See, notwithstanding anything in 246 and 254. People, we learned 246. This one, they are telling put this in the dustbin. 254, Parliament is supreme. Forget it. They told put all this in the dustbin. Now, Parliament will make law, will have power to make law with respect to GST imposed by whom? Central government. So central government, CGST ka law will be made by whom? Parliament. So tell me one thing, CGST is applicable to whole of? Correct, everyone? So Baba, CGST ka law will be made by whom? Parliament. Legislature of a state will make law with respect to GST imposed by such state. So can you tell me SGST ka law will be made by whom? State legislature. So if Karnataka state legislature makes SGST law, it will be applicable to only Karnataka. Can you tell me in across India, how many states I told you? So 31 states will make what law? 31 SGST laws, which will be applicable to that state. CGST ka law will be made only applicable to whole of. So now tell me one thing, Karnataka government In Karnataka, whenever goods are sold, what is collected? CGST. CGST is collected as per which act? CGST Act. CGST Act is made by whom? Parliament. SGST is collected as per which act? SGST Act. SGST Act is made by whom? State legislature. Is my point clear to all? So are both the tax collected from you as per the law? Can I go ahead, everyone? Tell me one thing. Whenever it is inter, can state government charge any tax? Who will charge? IGST will be charged by whom? Central government. Do you guys agree with me? So they went ahead and told this. I went ahead and he was explained. Parliament has exclusive power to make law with respect to GST where the supply of goods or service or both takes place in the interstate. Why they are telling Parliament? Because what will be collected, everyone? Can I go ahead, everyone? So who will make IGST ka law? Parliament. Central government through what? Parliament. Can I go ahead, everyone? Then this explanation you forget it now. Later it will come. Tell me one thing. IGST law is made by whom? Parliament. Collected by whom? Central government. Then central government will do what? Distribute between center and who told this? I did not say. Here. GST on supply in the course of interstate, IGST, will be collected and levied by whom? And central government will divide between whom? Center and. Are we all clear till here? Tell me one thing. Import is intra or inter? Inter. And what will come? Who told this? The second line over here. Supply of goods or service or both in import into the territory of India shall be deemed to be what, everyone? Interstate trade and commerce. It means what will come? Can I explain again or got it, everyone? People, so tell me one thing. Is article number 246 and 269 same thing over here? No, for 246 told what? Central government and state government. Central government will make, parliament will make the law for CGST, state legislature will make the law for SGST. Whenever it is inter, IGST ka law will be made by whom? Now IGST will, 269 told what? IGST will be collected by whom? Central. And then center will divide between whom? Center and state. Center will keep 50%, 50% to be state. Destination. Very good, everyone. Are we all clear till here? People, last bench. Chalo, people watching at home, are we all clear? Chalo, everyone over here now. The same thing I wrote in the chart. I told, see, 246A provides power to parliament and state legislature to levy GST together. Parliament will have power when it is what, everyone? Interstate trade or commerce. 269A IGST will be levied and collected by whom? Central government. And central government will divide between center and state. Anyone? Any doubt till here? Can we go ahead, everyone? Can we go ahead? Just a minute. I start. Take it. Soon I'm asking, are we clear? Can we go ahead? People are like, talk no, at least talk no. I should understand now what you're telling. Can we go ahead, everyone? Yes, very good. You have to talk. No, some people know from morning same expression. Say, Baba, I'm talking to you. Tell yes, no, don't know, did not understand, understood. So that only I'll understand. No, can we go ahead, everyone? Very good. Chalo. People, I would like you guys to read all of these articles. Tell me if you're clear with this. Once read, tell me if you're clear, then we go ahead. Baba, the more interest you show in the class, the more interest I will show. If you will be disinterested, will I feel activated or deactivated? Then you want me to be active or not in the class? So start talking. Can we go ahead, everyone? Hey, Devraj, sit straight. Read. Uh, Done, everyone? Any line you want me to repeat or got it? Chalo, everyone listen now. Now, there's something called 279A of the Constitution of India. Baba, see, after 246, no, 247 was already there. So, whenever they want to insert something in between, no, they will put it as A. After 269, 270 article was already there. So, they put it as 269A. 279, 280 was there. So, they went ahead and put it as whatever, 279A. Whenever they want to insert one new article, they go ahead and put it as same name with A. If they want to put after that B, C, D, they will go ahead and make it. Can we go ahead, everyone? Now, 279A, tell me one thing, is GST a new law? Array, is GST a new law? New law means people will have a problem. Anything new, people will definitely have a problem, some or the other thing. Correct, everyone? So when GST ka law was made, no, government went ahead and understood that people will definitely have some or the other problems with the law. So people will come and cry, saying, we don't want this, please change this. Are we guys able to understand? So they went ahead and told, whenever we want to change anything in the GST law, center and state government both should agree. Do you guys agree? Because who made the law? Parliament made for CGST and state made for SGST. Both the government together made law for CGST and SGST. Arey Baba, to collect CGST and SGST, both the government make the law together. You know, CGST law and SGST law is exactly same. There is no difference only. Only thing CGST law is passed from Parliament, SGST law is passed from state. But both the laws are same. So 9%, 9%, correct? So tax is same. Both the laws are same. Now, what they are telling over here, in the GST law, that is CGST and SGST, any change if you want to make, whose consent is required? Center and state. So you know what government went ahead and thought? Government went ahead and told, we will go ahead and make one committee. That committee ka name will give GST Council. And they told, this is a constitutional body. Under the Constitution of India, we'll make this body whose name will be what? 279A of the Constitution of India, may they wrote it. In the Constitution of India only, Mother Act only they wrote. They told, we promise, we will make one committee and committee will decide what changes has to be made in the GST. Can I go ahead, everyone? And this committee is called what, everyone? GST Council. In the committee, government went ahead and put two members. People, is this working? No. Two members from what? Union member. Union member means central government ka two people. How many people from central government? And remaining all peoples are whom you know? State government. How many states are there, everyone? 31 states. So all the states say one minister was appointed, which that state will decide and send. Are we clear? So how many members are there total? 31 states ka 31 plus how many members from state union, two union member. Correct, everyone? I'll teach you GST Council from the textbook. Okay, here GST Council. See, the President of India, who was Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. That time, the President of India was Pranab Mukherjee. Now, late Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. So, he constituted the GST Council. Number one, Union Minister was which one, everyone? Union Finance Minister, Central Government ka Minister. Do you guys agree? Who is he? Nirmala Sitharaman. The next was again Union Minister only. But you know his name is what? Union Minister of State. And he's in charge of revenue and but he's central government or state government ka minister? No, union minister, central government only. But his name is different. Union Minister of State. His name is Union Minister of State. He's in charge of what? Revenue and is he state minister or union minister? Union. Union means what? Central or state? So two central government ka minister and from all state one minister will be appointed. How many states are there in GST, everyone? Either that state ka finance minister or that state ka taxation minister or any other minister nominated by each state or and how many states are there? 31. So people, can you tell me, everyone, GST Council was constituted, government constituted which council? GST, the joint forum. See, you know what? How many people will be there in the GST Council? Who will be the president? who will appoint whom, how decision will be taken, all this law, that what will happen in the GST council, who will decide, who will be the president, how many members will be there, all these things, they went ahead and made the law. On what date? The law was made on what date? But actually GST council was constituted on which date? On 12th, they made all the provision saying, sir, in GST council, 33 members will be there, 31 state minister, this minister, that minister, all law made. But actually GST council was made on which date? 15th? Might be. Good luck is very good. Exam में 1 mark question. On which day GST council was constituted? 15th. How many members are there? Union Minister Nirmala Sitaraman. Who is the what everyone? Chairman. Union Minister of State in charge of Revenue and Finance. He will also be the member. How many union member? Minister of Finance, Taxation, or any minister by each state will be the member. How many states? So can you tell me everyone? GST Council. How many people? 31 state ka minister plus 2 union minister, 33. Can I go ahead everyone? In the GST meeting, what will happen? I'll tell you. See, for an example, they told all the people who are selling, I'll teach you this after might be 3, 4 class, this topic will come. They told all the people who are selling goods, the handicraft goods also, has to take compulsory registration if they sell from one state to another state. Now all the handicraft people started crying. For example, Rajasthan ka handicraft people, they started crying. "Hmm, if we have to take compulsory registration in GST, we are selling handicraft goods, small dealer, and you are telling compulsory registration, sir. Please don't tell us to take mandatory registration." Are we all clear? So whenever any community will cry, no, they will go to their state ka minister and tell this is the problem. Please, sir, don't tell us to take risks. That state ka minister will propose this in the GST council. He will go and sit over there and he will tell, I propose that all the handicraft people should be exempted from GST registration. You got my point, everyone? Then the council will decide. They will do voting and they will decide how many of you agree. After the voting is done, GST council ka one recommendation will come. What will come, everyone? Saying, okay, handicraft people exempt from registration. And you know what? This is called council ka what, everyone? Recommendation. Once the council gives the recommendation, no, government issues one notification. Government issues what, everyone? Notification that okay, from today this change will come. This is called GST amendment. Are you guys able to understand, everyone? So whenever any community will have any problem, they'll go to whom, everyone? State minister. That state minister will do what, everyone? Take the proposal in the GST council. Council will decide and council will come up with what, everyone? Recommendation. And that recommendation they will give to whom, everyone? And government will issue what? See, I'll show you some notification. If you go over here to tax information gst.gov.in, here you will be able to see I think government का website में some little slow or might be internet is slow. Okay. Sometime later when we have the website working, I'll show it to you from here. So what happens though, in this website, government issues what everyone? Notification saying from today, all the handicraft people are exempted from GST registration. Like that, one letter will be issued. Are we clear, everyone? That's called what, everyone? Notification. So people, can you tell me what is the GST Council ka main work? GST Council ka main work is to get all the issues of their state. All the people will sit together and discuss. And what will they come up with, everyone? Recommendation. And council ka recommendation, government will issue what, everyone? Tell me one thing. The day government issues notification, on that day change amendment has happened. If government does not issue notification, is council ka recommendation enough? No. Government should issue what, everyone? Notification. Can I go ahead, everyone? Everyone over here now. This is what we have to learn. If you see over here, they have gone ahead and told what are the various functions of the GST council. They are telling the function of the council is to make recommendation to the center and the state on issues like taxes, cess, surcharge, which may be subsumed into GST. Tell me one thing, who decided that these taxes of central government will go, these taxes of state government will go? GST Council. Which taxes will not go? Who decided all this? GST Council. Next. The GST goods which are subject to and exempted from GST. On which goods GST will come? On what goods GST will not come? Who will decide? Council. Next. Model GST law, principles of levy, apportionment of GST. Sir, how will the GST law look like? What is the principle? When will GST be imposed? Apportionment 50-50. Did I tell you IGST? Who decided all this? GST Council. Next. Threshold limit of turnover below which no GST shall be charged on goods and services. People, what is the limit of registration? 40 lakh. Who decided? Council. Rates of GST. People, you will see some item the rate of GST is 5%, some item 18%, some item 28%. Who decided GST rate? GST Council. Special rate for specified period to raise additional resource during any natural calamity. People, you know what happens? In Kerala, flood had happened. So Kerala mein, the GST Council told the Council, Kerala government ko, they allowed that Kerala flood cess, KFC, Baba, KFC, Kerala flood cess, 1% can be charged on all goods and services which are sold in Kerala. But who allowed them to charge Kerala flood cess? GST is there, normal GST plus Kerala flood cess also will come. Who allowed them to charge? Council. But otherwise, can Kerala government start charging KFC? No, unless the GST Council allows. If GST Council allows, saying Karnataka needs more money to develop Karnataka, we are allowing that Karnataka government can start charging 2% additional to all the people. Karnataka government can start. Can we go ahead, everyone? Next. People, special provision with respect to states of humans of Tripura and Jammu and Kashmir. These are called special category state. What do we call it, everyone? Special category state. What are special category state? Humans. H for Himachal Pradesh. U for Uttarakhand. M for Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram. A for Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura, Jammu and people, can you tell me what are the special category states? Humans of Tripura and Jammu and Kashmir. H for everyone with me. H for U for M for Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram. A for Assam, Arunachal. N for Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura and Jammu and ठीक है, will you guys remember this? These states के लिए they told we will make special provision. Now you tell me one thing. GST registration limit is 40 lakh, correct? In Karnataka, they have kept 40 lakh. So people to reach 40 lakh is very easy in Karnataka. If they keep 40 lakh registration limit for Manipur, Mizoram in the mountain, do you think 40 lakh limit anyone will reach or no one will reach? Very difficult. You tell me one thing. If very few people will register in Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, For example, northeastern hilly region states. Hilly region में what happened? The population is less. The population is less, so the sales will also be less. We all able to understand? So what government is trying to say, all these northeastern hilly region states which are there, we will go ahead and keep the limit as, if we keep 40, no one will come under registration. No GST registration means state ka collection is zero. Yes or no, everyone? And hence government went ahead and told state government also should collect some GST. No, that's why we will keep lower limit of registration. So they kept for all this, most of the states you will see, I'll show you after some time, 10 lakh limit. It means if they keep 10 lakh limit, will many people now come under registration? And that's why they are telling for the special states, we'll keep what, everyone? Special provision like registration limit, etc. is kept lower. Can we go ahead, everyone? If you keep 10 lakh in Karnataka, even chai fellow who is selling chai, he will be making 10 lakh rupees. Are you guys able to understand? So what they are trying to tell over here is, in Karnataka, if it's 40, there will keep how much? 10. It is equivalent. Can I explain again or got it? Next. People, you remember HP man? HP man? What is HP man, everyone? High speed diesel, petroleum crude, water spirit, aviation turbine fuel, and on this, GST is there or GST is not there? But it can come when council will allow and government will issue. So people, the date on which GST will be levied on HP man will also be decided by whom, everyone? GST council. See Baba, your exam question over here, they go ahead and ask about GST council. 1 minute here. What are the various functions of GST council? Can you see, everyone? They have asked, list the category of special category state. Hey, everyone, you tell me what is special category state? People, which are the special category state? Humans of Tripura and Jammu and Kashmir. Can I explain again or got it? Now listen to me very carefully. In the GST council, no, we have written here, GST council is constituted on what date? 15. How many member? How many union member? How many state? Now listen. Quorum. What do you mean by quorum, everyone? Minimum numbers required to have a meeting. Correct, everyone? They have told half of the number of members. What do you mean by half, everyone? 50%. 33 ka 50% is 16.5. So one will send only his legs. Not possible. So Baba, it is half of the number, means 17 people should be present. Only then meeting will happen. So what they are telling, people, GST council 33 member. How much is quorum? Half of number of members. You please say in the exam also half of the number of members. Can I go ahead, everyone? Now I want to ask you one thing. GST council, half of the number of members are there. Now, okay. How many union member? Two union member. How many state? State finance ministers or any minister from that state. So 33 members are there. Okay, everyone. Now they are going in and telling one half will constitute the quorum. This is what I want to teach you guys. Listen carefully. Every decision of the GST council is taken by majority of not less than 3/4 of the weighted votes of the member present and voting. People, listen. 3/4 means what, everyone? 75%. Do you guys agree with me? So they are telling 33 members ka vote ka weight is how much, everyone? 100%. 75% should be there. Only then what will be there, everyone? Sir, we did not understand. Listen, listen. It's okay. You listen first. Vote of the center has a weight of 1/3 of the total weight. Can you tell me center ka vote ka weight is how much? 33 point. And state ka vote ka weight will be how much, everyone? State ka vote ka member ka weight is 66.67%. And that is how much, everyone? 100%. Two member telling yes is how much percent? 33. For example, I'll tell you. They were deciding, Baba, in the 35th or the 36th GST council meeting, first time they used the voting method. First time. Before that, always everyone agrees for everything, saying, okay, okay, okay. First time they wanted to make the lottery ka rate at 28%. How much lottery ka rate? Some states agreed, some states did not agree. So they told we'll use which method? Voting method. This is the voting method. Nirmala Sitharaman, she told, I to want 28%. She told, I agree, it should be 28%. Can you tell me, if she agrees 28%, what is the vote ka weight? Her vote ka weight is how much? This is for two people. So her vote ka weight is 16.5% approximately. Other union minister, Nirmala Sitharaman told you, hey, lift the hand. Yo, I agree. Again, 16.5% means 33% done. Do you guys agree? How much you need for majority? This should be divided by the number of state. How many members are there? How many members are there? Yeah. Per member weight will be how much? 2 point something. Karnataka told, for me, so it does not matter only. Let them be 28. I agree, 28%. 2% casted in favor. Tamil Nadu told, we agree, 28%. Again. Kerala told, no, we don't agree. Because Kerala mein majority lottery is there, correct or not? We told, no, we don't want 28%. Okay. Sikkim told, no, we don't want 28%. We want only 12%. Again, not casted in favor. Rajasthan told, okay, make it 28%. Like that, people have to agree, and it should be how much everyone total? Only then it is majority. Is my point clear to all of you? Can you tell me, everyone, how many people in the GST Council? 33. What is the votes ka weight of the center? 33, one third. States ka two third, which is 66 point. Two third is 66, right? How many members should be present for meeting to be held? Half. Never tell 17 half. Always half. How much is required for majority? 70? That's all I went ahead and told. Over here, majority is 3/4, which is basically 75 of the member present and voting. Weight of the center is one third, state is two third. And these are the various functions which I have already gone ahead and can I go ahead, everyone? Now, last time, no, last time, they had gone ahead and asked one question on this point, which I want to go ahead and read with you guys. Please come to the last point in your book. Last point, everyone. Okay? Don't worry, I'll not teach you anything new after this. This is the last point which we are going to learn. After that, we'll revise and close. Okay, everyone? Some one or two question and we close. Now, we have class till 1:30, no? I was told 1:30. Don't lie. 1:30, no? 12:30. Can we go ahead, everyone? Everyone over here now. No act or proceedings of the GST Council shall be valid merely by reason of means they are going ahead and telling GST Council went ahead and took one decision. Okay? And now you are telling no, that decision is invalid. Just because there was one small mistake, you are telling invalid. So what are the things? No act or proceeding, anything which happened in the GST Council shall be invalid. You can't just go ahead and say it's invalid merely because of any vacancy in or any defect in the constitution of GST Council. For an example, the GST Council meeting may how many people should be there? How many are member are there? Two union member, 33 state, correct? 31 state minister. I was just checking. All of you are active. Very good, very good. 31 state minister. Now, just because one union member of state who was in charge of revenue and finance, he is not being appointed only yet. You are telling GST Council, whatever decision taken is useless, not correct. You can't say that. No act. What are they telling everyone? No act or any proceeding of the GST Council can become what? Merely because any vacancy is there. Or might be any defect in the constitution. Means the constitution of the GST Council is what? 2 union member, 31 state finance minister. Any mistake done, okay. Any mistake done while constituting, forming the GST Council meeting, GST Council, any mistake, you are telling full, any decision is invalid. No, it will not be valid. Just because there is vacancy or defect. Next, any defect in the appointment of a person as a member. Array, state minister should be appointed, right? By chance, one state what they went ahead and did, no. They send instead of state minister, They send one another person from the state. Whole meeting happened. After that, one person is coming and telling, this guy, so he was not the minister of that state. He was some other person of the state. And hence, whatever happened in the GST council meeting, invalid. Can't say. Just because what they are telling, any defect in the appointment. Who should be appointed? Union Minister, Union Minister of State, Finance Minister, and all the 31 state ka 31 minister. Might be 31 states say some person who came, he was not the minister only. One state say one person came who is not the minister. Now you tell me all the GST council meeting happened. Later you are telling, oh, this guy was not the minister only. Whole council ka meeting useless. Can it happen? Just because one member who came was useless doesn't make the whole meeting invalid. Any defect in the appointment of what everyone? Person. Any procedural irregularity of the council not affecting the merit of the case. Baba, what do you mean by procedural irregularity? They went ahead and told when the GST council is meeting is happening, no, we will go ahead and do like this, we'll go ahead and do like this. Votes should be taken, all the votes should be recorded, proceedings of the meeting should be written in the minutes. Anything which is not done, might be they did not record something in the minutes of the meeting. Just because of that, can you go ahead and say all the decision taken invalid? They are telling any procedural procedural irregularity means procedure was not followed properly. You can't go ahead and say the whole meeting was. Is my point clear? People, one minister vacation is there. He went on vacation and hence vacated. The seat is vacant. Can you go ahead and say the decision taken by council is invalid or no? No. Any member appointed, he is not being correctly appointed. Can you say meeting is invalid? No. And lastly, procedure not followed properly. Can you say the whole meeting is invalid? That's all, everyone. So this was one question which came in the last attempt saying no act or can any act or proceeding be invalid? Or what they're telling, no act or proceedings of the GST Council will be invalid. Merely, what are the various reasons? Merely because of which reason? So you have to write 1, 2. Can I explain again or got it? People, this much only I'll teach you. We are almost done with the chapter. Only 2 pages are there. But I know you guys are also like, sir, so much theory is in there in the chapter. Baba, from chapter number 2, we have all the practical things which we will talk. Basically, GST point of view, what happens in the market, how it happens, all those things we'll talk. Then you will find it little practical. Some chapters, see Baba, every day can't be same or it can't be Sunday. Correct or not, everyone? Some days it will be theory, some days it will be practical. When it is practical, we'll all enjoy. When it is theory also, we'll all enjoy. Okay, let me change the battery. Battery is gone. Not my battery, only this battery. Cholo. Everyone, hello, 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 hello. Hello. No. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Yes. Cholo, let's go ahead. Everyone listen now. Okay, I'm not teaching you anything more. Everyone over here. Tell me one thing. People, in the Q&A book, question number 11, why was the GST Council, why was the Constitution amended? To give both the government the power, central government and the, to collect GST together. Do you guys agree with me? Did we learn article number 246A? Did we learn 269A? GST Council, this point I told you just now, no act of proceeding will be invalid. Did we learn the GST Council ka functions and 11 special category state? So today at home, what are you going to do? You are going to read all these questions one by one. Any point, anywhere, any doubt, you have to tell me tomorrow. Done, everyone? Baba, chapter number 1 is a total theoretical chapter which is there. Whatever I'm going to explain, same questions come in the exam. Can we go ahead, everyone? From tomorrow, which we start chapter number 2, everyone listen carefully. We will also be practicing writing question answer, how to write question, The answer, law should be written, observation, conclusion. So I want all of you to get notebooks from tomorrow. Today might be you would have written in the last page somewhere of some other notebook. From tomorrow, I'll not agree to it. If you don't get notebook, don't get what to do. See, Baba, it is very important that you get question notebook because only if you know how to write, you will be able to write in the exam. Can we go ahead, everyone? Next. Everyone over here, 1 minute. Question answer I have told you already. Listen, today you have to do MCQ till here, till 21. MCQs till 21. Please come to MCQs. Question answer, what will you do? Read. MCQs till 21. See, Baba, I'll show you what MCQ. The function of the GST Council. Do you already know? Are yes or no? No, you don't know. I have not taught you about GSTN yet. Here, I told you GSTN will come tomorrow. So what you don't know, you leave it. What you know, you do and come. Can we go ahead, everyone? 1 minute. Please come to smart, everyone. Today you don't read smart. It's okay. Today you don't read smart. No, at home don't read smart. Today what will you read? You will revise till here. You'll revise till here. Q&A mein, you have to do all the questions till the place where I told. Where did I tell you? 14. And MCQ till where? 21. Whichever MCQ you can't do, leave it. Tomorrow you will be able to do it. Can we go ahead, everyone? We will. Can we? Go ahead. Hello. Please come to your chart book, everyone. See, everyone over here, listen. People over here, listen. Today we went ahead and did what? Close your eyes, don't sleep, and listen. We went ahead and started with GST. People, see. What we have gone ahead and done, we should always try to recall in 5 minutes. Everyone here. GST means, everyone with me, GST means any tax on what? Supply of goods, services, or both, except human cut. People who are not revising with me and packing, I will catch you and keep and let you go only after everybody goes. So stop packing. They're packing. First, I will run. No, I will send you last. Can we go ahead, everyone? Then we learned that if what is tax? We learned tax is a voluntary or compulsory payment which you do to the government under a act, so that government can provide you services. Direct tax, indirect tax difference we learned. Correct, everyone? Then we learned what are the problems in the earlier tax system. After that, features of GST. Can you tell me the features, everyone? GST is a tax. Tax on what? Supply of what? Goods, services, or both. It's a consumption tax. It's a destination tax, and it's a value added. Then we learned the benefits. Creation of unified national market. Then post to make in India. Then investment will come, employment will go up. Then cascading gone. Ease of doing business. Compliance will come down. IT will be used. Then multiple taxes gone. Double taxation gone. Benefit to small traders. Then we learned various taxes which are gone, state taxes gone, and central taxes gone. Then we learned dual model. What is dual model, everyone? Any transaction happening, both the government will eat the tax. Center will eat CGST, state government will eat Union Territory, UTGS. India has adopted this model from whom? Very good, Canada. Then we went ahead and went to the intra. What are the two types of transaction? Intra or inter. Intra means same state, same UT. Inter means different state, different UT, one state, one or two different. We charge what? IGST. Correct, everyone? Then we learned about these various taxes which were there. Can you tell me, everyone, alcoholic liquor, what do we charge? They said excise duty, VAT, and GST. Opium, state excise duty and GST. Alcohol, state excise duty and VAT. HP man, central excise duty and VAT. Tobacco, central excise duty and GST. All other goods, GST. Can I go ahead, everyone? All other services. Then we learned about the constitutional provision till here. Tell me one thing. Article number 265. Can you collect a tax without law? No. Who gave the power to make law? No. Who will make? Whose law will be applicable to across India? Parliament. State legislature. State. Correct. So that they don't fight, power was divided. Union list, state list, concurrent list. Correct, everyone? Union list, who makes the law? Parliament. State list, concurrent list, both. Is GST there anywhere? So they introduced what? 246A. Correct, everyone? Parliament will make law for CGST. State legislature for SGST. Can I go ahead, everyone? Interstate, who will make the law? Parliament. IGST ka law will be made by whom? Then we learn 269A. Correct? IGST will be collected by whom? Well, no. Central government. Then central government will divide it between whom? Center and state. Is my point clear to all? Anyone, any doubt till here? Just give me a second. Are we all 100% clear? Tomorrow morning, what are you going to do? You are going to revise this till here. Everyone, not tomorrow morning, today night you revise this. Question answers, which one did I tell you? Till 15 or 16, whatever. Till here, council. Okay? And MCQs. Will you do it and come? Textbook reading for chapter number 1, you will do it tomorrow. If you want to do it today, you have to do only those topics which I have taught. Are we all clear till here? From tomorrow, the class is morning 7. Are we clear, everyone? I will start the class at 7. People who come 8, 9, Baba, it's your wish. But if you don't understand, don't come and tell me, sir, please repeat. There will be no repetition for those students who are coming late. For those students who are in class and did not understand, I'll repeat 10 times, no problem. But people who are coming late, Baba, I remember each one's face. So I'm telling, class is at what time, everyone? I will come at 7. I expect all of you come at 7. I'll not scold and all. But what I'm telling, no, if you plan to come late, don't disturb the class. Saying I did not understand, tell again. Will not waste everyone's time. You understood what I'm trying to tell? So please try to come on time. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 7. Wait, 1 minute. Are we all done till here? Chalo. Chalo. Bye, guys. Hey, tell bye, everyone. Bye. You want?